right, first here's part 2 of River Song. We're going to start at measure 20 and go all the way up to measure 39. This is probably going to be the trickiest part for you guys out of the piece, just because of all the third position that's going to be in here. But again, not bad. It's a lot of just staying in third position, not going back and forth very much. So we're actually going to take it back at measure 19. And you can see in your parts, I wrote in the fingerings for where you're supposed to go to third position. So let's go ahead and set ourselves up on the A string, first finger on your third finger tape. So go ahead and find that. So there's your D. Now the next note we're doing is a G. And remember, you want to put all your fingers down at once. Don't just search for that fourth finger, just shooting for it out of the blue. It's not going to be in tune. So from a D, E, F sharp, because we're in the key of G, and then half step to G. You can check that. All right, so speaking of sharps real quick, like you just saw, you're going to have a high 3 on the A string in third position. Because of the accidentals, you're going to have most of your 3s on the E string and as a high 3 as well. And actually, yeah, I think the whole time you're going to have a high 3 for that C sharp. All right, so we're going to start at 19. Here's your D again. Okay, and tying over four beats here. Here's 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down to first. Now somewhere in here, go to third position, change your bow. First. And that's the whole section. All right, so I guess we could have broken that down into 2 parts because it's a little bit different at 32. So let's go back to that section. So right before 32, you're holding that D. Just somewhere in there, you want to change your bow. You want to shift up to third position. And now for this next section, you also will have C naturals. Notice that that C sharp accidental went away. And now we follow the C natural that is according to the key signature. So let's find that 1 again. In third position on the A string. You're going to go the octave over to the D, fourth finger on E, low 3 next to your 2, and then your 2 right behind. Okay, so just coming down the scale, crossing over your 4, and all of that. So let's take it at measure 30, and we'll just try this section a little bit more, or one more time because that's a little bit more string crossing. All right, here's measure 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, change. Keep going up here. Shift. There you go. Now, do you have to shift down to first position there? No, you could keep it in third the whole time. It actually probably works nicely because then you don't have to use fourth fingers or cross over the strings quite so much. So work on that a couple times. Listen carefully to where your third finger is going, whether it's a C sharp or C natural. And that should be about it. All right, the next video we'll start up with measure 39, the faster rustic.